With EyeQue Insight, you can test visual acuity or how close to 20/20 your vision is anywhere, anytime. Today, most of us spend too much time indoors and glued to one screen or another. The result is a growing population with poor or degrading eyesight. More children are suffering from nearsightedness than ever before, impacting their happiness and their ability to learn. Now, there's an easy, fun way for you to take control of your family's vision health. Rather than waiting for an annual exam or your child's next school screening, you can test your family's eyes and monitor vision changes in real time from the comfort and convenience of your home. To get started, launch the EyeQue app. Next, sign into your family member's individual profile. Attach the Insight goggles to your smartphone. The Insight test is gamified and fun for the whole family. Your child just follows the on-screen prompts.
Hey, look in the goggles. Can you see me? Hello out there.
And in a couple of minutes, you'll know who's seeing clearly or whose vision may need to be corrected with eyeglasses. You can also test how well your current glasses are performing. And kids loved Seymour, the animated host, and his rewards.
And now, your new sticker. Let's take a look.
Insight test results are automatically captured and stored in the secure EyeQue cloud, so you can access your account from anywhere. This makes it easy to track changes in your family's vision and share that information with your eye doctor. EyeQue Insight, the most accurate 20/20 visual acuity test on your smartphone. A great way to make vision care a priority for you and your family.
We believe if there were improved communication between drivers, the road can become a better place. This idea led to our creation of CarWink, your faithful little driving companion. CarWink reinvents the way drivers communicate with each other.
CarWink, pedestrian crossing.
The hands-free voice control function allows for a safe and convenient communication between drivers. Fueled by the power of the sun, CarWink's solar charging means you will never have to worry about running out of juice. Built on the foundation of driver interaction, CarWink is here to relay your message and enhance driver relationships.
CarWink. Thank you.
We aim to minimize road rage and stress for drivers. Let CarWink's smile open up your horizons and show you a brand new adventure. What amazing journeys will you create?
Climate change and air pollution will impact all of our lives. Globally, 7 million people die each year because of exposure to air pollution. Due to climate change, flooding hits coastal cities 6 times more often now than in the 1960s. And politicians take a global human issue and make it political.
It's like record cold. And I keep hearing about global warming. Now they'll say, he doesn't understand. This is a worldwide problem. Oh, no, I don't understand. Let's do EyeQue tests.
Now we can either accept that or we can get to work. Here's the problem. We need everyone to investigate climate change and air pollution in their own communities. But the equipment costs thousands of dollars. And climate change is a complex and global problem. We believe anyone can be a scientist and that science doesn't just happen in the lab. We've delivered thousands of Pocket Labs to educators worldwide. And now we're putting our focus on climate change and air pollution. We have launched the Climate Education Initiative. The initiative has 3 parts. 1. Anyone can be a citizen scientist by collecting their own data on emissions and pollution using PocketLab Air. 2. Users can contribute to science through mission mode, where data can be shared with researchers through the PocketLab software. The data will be open source and freely available. 3. You can help educate the next generation. This Kickstarter will make it possible for schools around the world to use PocketLab Air. We have spent the last year developing PocketLab Air, a state-of-the-art sensor to measure carbon dioxide, ozone, particulate matter, and atmospheric conditions that affect climate. PocketLab is wireless, portable, and rugged, so it's ready to go anywhere. You can use PocketLab Air to measure emissions and air pollution in your environment. Then you can map that data to your GPS location, and you can join a network of thousands of citizen scientists doing climate change research. We need the smartest people of the next generation to take on the biggest problems.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running.
We'll find the solution if we can inspire more young people. Teachers, students, and citizen scientists love using PocketLab because they can explore the world around them in ways that were never before possible. Help.
Introducing Rayo, the intelligent and versatile bicycle taillight. Rayo increases your daytime and nighttime visibility for cars and other riders to see you. Rayo uses a high visibility lighting system, 3 ultra-bright and highly efficient LEDs, and 2 total internal reflection lenses, direct and focus light in wide, close, and long-distance beams to maximize your visibility in bright sunlight and on dark roads. Rayo tracks your acceleration and bike movements using a 3-axis accelerometer and a 3-axis gyroscope. The same technology found in modern drones. It knows when you're slowing down and triggers a brake light automatically to warn traffic and riders behind you. Rayo also lets you customize the blinking patterns of each LED, allowing you to create the best signaling options for your riding style and weather conditions. If you're riding with a group, Rayo can automatically sync blinking patterns with other Rayo lights. Now everyone can ride safely as a group without the hassle of complicated pairing procedures. Rayo can also notify you when your bike is being tampered with, giving you some peace of mind when leaving your bike in a public place. Turns on easily with its built-in touch control and has a rechargeable battery. Rayo has an IP67 waterproof body. Rayo is based on an award-winning design and comes in 5 distinct colors. A taillight is a must-have for any bike rider or cyclist. Stay safe when you're riding on the road. Get the better, intelligent taillight solution. Complete your ride with Rayo.
Nowadays, smartphones are one of the most important parts of our daily lives. We use it for personal communication, finishing tasks for work, checking social media posts, or even playing your favorite game during lunch break. It almost feels like an extension of ourselves. With traditional charging options, we can't satisfy the battery needs for heavy usage of our smartphones, making us frustrated every time when the phone pops up at a low battery notification. Hi Kickstarter, my name is Tomat, and I'm here to say that the traditional ways of charging mobile phones are inconvenient. Today, we need a better, simpler, and more convenient way to charge our phones. We have researched and tested many different ways of charging, including wireless solutions, and we decided to use magnetic adapters for our charging packs as a proper solution. With corresponding magnetic adapters, you can charge any kind of smartphone. The charging pack is only 15 grams weight, which is extremely portable for everyday carry. In 30 minutes, this tiny little pack can give an iPhone 8 a 25% battery boost, so that with 4 of these places in total, your phone will maintain fully charged. 4 charging packs can provide an iPhone 8 about 9 hours of battery usage. Also, the charging station is a portable battery with 5,000 milliamperes. This is our magnetic charging cable, which supports fast charging due to maximum 2 amp currents. Now, let's see how FingerPow can help. confident that FingerPow will help bring back convenience to our lives and furthermore, help us to utilize our smartphones in a better way. We look forward to having your support. Thank you very much.